Keep your cameras on. Take out your maths friend notebooks and paper and start doing these find the difference. Start doing these find the difference questions. Be quick.
Ma'am, I have taken out.
Now start doing this. Find the difference. Be quick. जल्दी करना है. I said keep your cameras on, प्रत्युष. अभी तक समझ नहीं आया है, रिमूव करूं? Lakshya, Noel, keep your cameras on. Keep your cameras on. Noel, can't you understand me?
Excuse me.
Yes. प्रत्युष समझ नहीं आ रहा
Ma'am,
बेटा?
I have like a very nice connection.
I told you I will
Ma'am,
not
so
listen
that
this.
is,
बेटा मैं ऐसे नहीं
ma'am,
listen. I will not listen like
that
this. I want a WhatsApp message for this on the group. I think you forgot the rule. The rule is you have to send me a proper reason written on WhatsApp group. I will not allow like this. You have to send me a proper reason on the WhatsApp group. Open your camera. Either send me the one message on WhatsApp group, or I'm going to throw you out of the meeting. Pratyush, can't you hear me? मैं इसको remove भी कर देती हूँ. He never listens. Noel, switch on your camera. Either give me the message on WhatsApp group or switch on your camera. Done, all of you? Have you all done this? Be quick, beta.
No.
Just very simple questions. So much time I have given you. 20 minutes you have taken. Just complete it.
Ma'am, only 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes. There you have given a lot of time.
Ma'am, please wait for 5 minutes.
Jaldi finish karo ise. Quick. It is very simple. Subtraction questions only. That's it. Okay, let me check the answers now. Advika's answer and Karthik answer. कार्तिक का जो है फर्स्ट वन इज करेक्ट. कार्तिक रुपीस का साइन नहीं लगाया कहीं पर भी. यू विल ऑल्सो गेट 0 इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू पुट द रुपीस साइन ओवर देयर. बेटा ये क्या किया? ये सेकंड वाले में अपने आप से जो मन चाहेगा वो करोगे क्या? कहीं पर भी पॉइंट लगा दोगे अपने आप से? कहीं कोई भी ऊपर आ जाएगा, कोई भी नंबर नीचे आ जाएगा. इज इट सो? फोर्थ वन इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग एंड सेकंड वन इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. कार्तिक. Who is this? Apurva. First one is correct. 7 is correct. Second ठीक है. Next ठीक है. All are correct. Very good, Apurva. Apurva लास्ट वाला रॉन्ग है. लास्ट वाले में थोड़ी सी एक मिस्टेक कर दी है, छोटी सी. अद्विका फर्स्ट वन इज करेक्ट. सेकंड इज करेक्ट. थर्ड इज करेक्ट. फोर्थ इज करेक्ट. वेरी गुड अद्विका. All are correct. शौर्य गंगवार. फर्स्ट वन इज करेक्ट. सेकंड वन में मिस्टेक है शौर्य. सेकंड वन में मिस्टेक की है. थर्ड वन इज करेक्ट एंड फोर्थ वन इज करेक्ट. सेकंड वाले में मिस्टेक है शौर्य. निहित फर्स्ट वन इज करेक्ट. सेकंड वन इज करेक्ट. थर्ड वन इज करेक्ट. फोर्थ वन में मिस्टेक है. क्या कर रहे हो बेटा? 6 - 4 हो गया. 5 - 4 1. क्यों 3 3 करे जा रहे हो उसको? नमन फर्स्ट वन इज करेक्ट. सेकंड वन इज रॉन्ग. कहीं पे कुछ भी लिख दे रहे हो. थर्ड वाले में, सेकंड वाले में. थर्ड इज करेक्ट. फोर्थ इज करेक्ट. फोर्थ इज रॉन्ग. फोर्थ वाला भी रॉन्ग कर रहे हो आप सब. बेटा जब 2 5 ऊपर है तो 2 5 को ऊपर रखो ना. नीचे क्यों भेज रहे हो 2 5 को? Chalo, now let's start. Let me teach you this question first of all. Look here on the board. The third question. I don't know why you people are doing so much mistakes in the third question. Wait. Why? Third question. There are so many mistakes in the third question. Third question is. Wait. The question is third one. Yes, the third one is. Sorry, third one नहीं, second वाला. Second वाला है ₹1683 minus ₹1099.78. Now tell me why most of you have done like this. आपसे किसने कहा है कि 1099.78 ऊपर आएगा और 1683 नीचे आएगा? और उसमें भी ऐसे करा हुआ है 116.83. Who told you बेटा कि आप अपने मन से जो चाहे वो लिखोगे? पॉइंट नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी पॉइंट लगाओगे. कहाँ लिखा है ऐसा? Tell me, is there any point over here? Is there any point over here in 1683? There is no point in 1683. अपने आप से कुछ भी नहीं करना है. See, 1683 is given to us rupees. We will write 1683. जो पहले लिखा है वो पहले ही आएगा. और no पैसे is given. कोई पैसा ही नहीं है तो आप पॉइंट अपने आप से लगाकर you will put 2 zeros after it. Only Apurva has done and Advika has done it correctly. बस. और किसी ने नहीं किया ऐसे.
Ma'am, I also. Ma'am, I
Okay.
also.
1099.78. Okay, then 0.78 you have to write like this and then you have to subtract it. It is as simple as this. 1683 के बाद कोई point नहीं है तो 0.00 you can put. There are no paise and no paise means 0 paise. And the fourth one also most of you are making mistake. अच्छा बेटा आपसे ये किसने कहा है कि कम पैसे वाला नंबर ऊपर नहीं आ सकता? Who told you this thing कि कम पैसे होंगे तो ऊपर नहीं आ सकता है? क्या किया है आपने? Let me tell you. The question is 6014.25 minus 4875.89. This is the question. आपने क्या किया इसमें? 6014.25, ठीक है, 0.25 नहीं किया, 0.89 लिख दिया यहाँ पर. What is this? 6014 के साथ if it is 0.25 then you have to write 0.25 only with it, and many of you are not putting these rupees sign. If you'll not put this rupees sign, you will get 0 out of it. Now I have to, please check your answers. I'll show you the answers. Give me a minute. Just correct it. जिसने भी गलत किया था ये, just correct it right now. The ones who have done it wrong, just do it right now. This is answer A, na? Answer B, sorry. He said 12.2. Let me show you the answers. Give me a minute. This period will get over at 10:10, I think so.
No, ma'am. 10:20.
10:20 पे over होगा. Okay. Fraction का minus. Give me a minute. अभी show कर रही हूँ. I'll show you the answers. Yes, this is the answer. You can check all the answers. Check the answers, everyone. These are the answers. See the third one especially and the second one. Most of you have made mistakes in the third one and the second one.
Ma'am, mine is all correct.
Okay, good. Those who have done it wrong, just correct it. Done, all of you? Shall I start the next one? Done? Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to start the next one. Next, find the product.
Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my exercise 12.2 question A, last one fourth is, ma'am, my incomplete.
So, beta, you should check the recording and then you can do it from there.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now let me teach you how to find out how to do the multiplication of money. How to multiply the money. See, any number if it is given to us, let's take any number 5619 5619.23 multiply by 22. 22 नहीं लेते, 25 ले लेते. Okay, and suppose we have to multiply this by this. How we are going to do this? See, rupees 5619.23. We have to multiply by 25. तो बेटा हम ये नहीं देखेंगे कि पॉइंट कहाँ लगा है. We will not see the point in multiply. Leave it. एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट आता है. मल्टीप्लाई में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. मल्टीप्लाई में आप भूल जाओ कि कोई पॉइंट भी है बीच में. Forget if there is any point in between. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry over. 5 2s are 10, 1 11, 1 carry over. 5 9s are 45 and 1 50, 5 carry over. 5 1s are 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry over. 6 5s are 30 plus 1 31, 3 carry. 5 5s are 25 plus 3 28. Do not put any point in between. कोई point नहीं लगाएगा बीच में. अब क्या करेंगे? We will just put a crossover here. Rub all the carryovers so that they may not disturb us between. सारे carryovers rub कर दिए. Now multiply the number with 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. Do not put any point in between. 2 9s are 18. 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. और एक के नीचे एक नंबर लिखना ध्यान से. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry. 2 5s are 10 and 1 11. So you will do not put any point. Again I'm saying 4 8 4 10 3 and 1 4 1 4 0 and now put the point before two digits. 1 2 2 digits से पहले point है तो 1 2 digits से you will put a point here and put a rupees sign over here. Understood? समझ आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
let's start. Shall I start it? Shally, can you do it
Yes,
yourself?
ma'am.
Ma'am, it's same as metric system.
Yes, same as the measurement. Yes, it is same as that one only. Wait a second, let me check. Find the difference. So हो गया ना? Wait. Let me share the screen of this. Find the product. ये भी नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है, ये है.
Then from the next page.
Yes, from the next page and from the new page because there's a new exercise. Wait, let me search for it. 12.3 question. Yes, here it is. Start doing it. Start doing these questions. Start doing these questions. Questions right now. Do only first two questions right now. बाद में 3 4 बाद में करना. Okay. Do first two questions right now. We'll do 3 4 in the next period. 3 4 हम next period में करेंगे.
Ma'am, I have done these two questions.
Okay, beta, now period is going to be over. See, period is going to be over soon. So beta, let's do only these two questions only. We'll do next two in the next period. Okay, the one those are done, let it be. Only 1 minute is left.